guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I washed my hair last night. I blew dry it and I just had it in a scrunchie so I can sleep so my hair doesn't get tangled, and somehow I just flipped my hair and it just parted on this side. I don't know if you guys can tell a difference or not, but I feel like when I have it parted from right to left, I get a lot more volume. But of course, my natural part that I'm more comfortable with would be left to right. But anyways, how do you guys feel about this new part? I don't know if I'm digging it or not. I mean, it's just so volumized everywhere, but it's gonna like lay flat in like 10 minutes just because my hair is just like that. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not too sure because I have all these little baby hairs coming out. So it is what it is. Now, before I get into this video, I did mention quite a few times that I've kind of been in a rut where, I don't know, I just haven't been as motivated. I know since my grandmother's passing, a whole piece of me went away too. The grieving process has been difficult, been getting better as time only heals itself. I feel like when I do film videos and when I do good makeup, I mean, I'm normal, I'm human, I get makeup blocks. Like today, I felt like I did a great job on my makeup. It's nice and smoky, my brows are even. And when I have those good days, just like everybody else, I feel confident. I even did my nails and toes last night, so I am feeling good. So every morning I come into my beauty room and I see this on my desk and it says woman on a mission, and it makes me happy because, like I mentioned in my last videos, that I will be putting video ideas to have better content. Like I mentioned, a top 5 favorites coming up on moisturizer. I have an everyday makeup look, which are my lazy days. I have a back to school giveaway coming up soon. I have monthly favorites at the end of each month, and I'm gonna have a summer favorites video that may tie into a giveaway. I'm not too sure if I want to do that or back to school or even maybe both. So I do have some videos coming up. Oh, and I also have an upcoming trip. So I will be doing another pack with me video, and I think this time it'll consist more of clothing as well as beauty and lifestyle kind of like mixture in there. The more I'm filming in front of this camera and I see myself in the viewfinder with my hair parted all like weird, I don't even know if this video will be uploadable. Well, I'm hoping because I felt like I have bomb makeup today. I feel good, I feel confident that I think I should be able to post this. So I hope I'm able to edit this video and post this. Oh, one more thing. I got a new light. I don't know if you guys can tell or not. I originally have 2 large softbox lights that have daytime lights, which I really like. I normally use my natural window light for like a bounce back to this wall that reflects to me. I have another vanity mirror that has like a ring light around it. So I got this new ring light, which is pretty cool. I'll probably talk more about this ring light that I got in my monthly's favorites just because I'm still using it. So of course, trial and error, but I have a ring light in addition to my other lights. I'm not sure if it's too bright or not. I feel like it's bright enough, but it's dimmable, and the main thing is not being too hot in this room. But I guess I will see once I get into this video and editing it. Anyways, if you guys are interested on this glam smoky look that I created, and I look really funny like this, so let's put the hair back down. Since you're in this intro this far, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video if you guys liked it. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Good morning, guys. I know I sound a bit stuffy and nasally, only because my allergies are seriously kicking my butt. Anyone else have some major allergies? Thumbs up if you guys do. Anyways, as always, I'll put everything in the info box for you guys. Starting off with my eyebrows and kind of adjusting my lights. As I said, I just got this new ring light, so I'm just trying to figure it out. I know I've been really late into the game with the ring light, but I was like, let me just try this out. Does anyone else do like weird facial expressions while you're filling in your eyebrows? I just feel like sometimes if I make those certain facial expressions, I can kind of glide that pencil better. I don't know. Maybe I just got some crazy brows. All right, taking my Kat Von D, carving my brows, using my favorite and old brush by Makeup Forever, and shaping them as so.
If you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain.
Another eyebrow technique to see if my brows are straight. I use my hands to like cover them to see if they're aligned. I have no idea. All right, double dipping into my brow powder. I don't choose one color. I just use a brush and just go straight in the middle and just filling them in accordingly. Not having a good brow day at the moment, so taking a sip of coffee, going to change that channel. And yes, I'm going to use my very favorite blending brush ever. You guys see me use this all the time. This is like always the first brush I use for transitioning or just giving that nice first base onto my lids. It's a nice fluffy brush by MAC, and I think it's a 242. And it just fluffs everything up nice and evenly. It's not muddy or streaky. It's seriously my favorite brush. So whipping out this big old palette by Morphe, I'm going to use another soft color just on the crease and the tip of my lids and bringing it down to my lash line. Then I'm going to take this black matte shadow and I'm going to use my fingers because I think using the brush can be a bit dangerous. So I'm going to tap out the excess off of my finger so it doesn't fly over the place. This is going to be a great base before using that bright emerald green color. Later, you're going to see me using a brush just to blend everything out. And by that time, I don't have much product, so it's not going to fly everywhere. I just want it nice and blended and even for the next color I will be using. I had to time out myself and clean out the rest of the product that fell on my cheeks. Again, using my finger for the green, I'm just going to pat over that black color and it's going to really be more pronounced and sparkly. Once that's done, I'm going to take that fluffy brush again and just blend out the crease so there's no sharp line. I also want to give props to everybody who created this palette by Dose of Color. It's so great. The color, the pigmentation, the formula, it's just so good. Especially this peachy color. I'm going to use this peachy color with a tapered brush, just blending the crease so it has a softer, smokier effect rather than like a sharp line. But you can tell the blending and just the smoothness is like seriously on point. Those two color combinations is amazing. All right, moving on to complexion. I'm going to use my Hourglass Veil and a backlighting primer, which is by Becca, for that nice, soft, glowy complexion. All right, time to get these dark circles and highlighting game on. I guess I just gotta get something out of my system. I don't know. Taking a Sigma brush, and I'm just gonna blend out just the highest points on my face and color correct under my eyes and the remaining parts of my face. And of course, I need another coffee break. Yikes, I do this like all the time. Taking this awesome smudger brush by Sigma, I'm going to smoke on my lower lash line, round out the edges, inner outer corners that I missed with some shadows. It's an awesome brush, guys. And next is time for lashes. So I have these two pairs of Ardell Supernatural lashes that I haven't used in a long time. So I was like, let's experiment, guys. One set is just way too thin, so I thought if I could take one plus the other side and we can stack them. So drop them and drop them again. Can't find it. Okay. Gonna take some adhesive and put a thin coat on each, or actually on one, and then I'm gonna put the other one very close on the lash line. See, before, after, looks nice. Oh, I gotta prove to you again. Before, after. I gotta say, this Hourglass mascara is actually a really good formulation and wand. You guys know my lashes are so thin and sparse that I need fiber bristles, and it actually works really good. Now this is a 100-point perk with Sephora, so it was good to try out. So maybe if I want to get a new one, I'll buy the full size because the handle is just so short. I can't really get too close without the actual handle hitting my eye. Alright, gonna tight line with my Marc Jacob liners to get that nice smoky intensity look. There I go again with my angry battle look here. Gonna focus on my coffee drinking because I'm so addicted. But then I was like, ooh, I forgot my contouring, guys. Going in with my Kevyn Aucoin contouring wasn't enough, so I busted out that Wet n Wild palette. I actually started using that lighter color in this palette to kind of bake or correct some of the bronzer if I overuse it, or just kind of like sharpening that look, and it works so good. I don't know why I keep doing this combo of this nude lip and gloss together. It just doesn't work. What is wrong with me? The gloss just made it look crazy, so I said, you know what, let's just take all off and just use the gloss. Then I forgot to use some highlighting. My favorite liquid highlighter by Sephora collection. Looks nice and glowy and soft and natural, and that is my completed look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Love your comments. Keep the motivation, guys, and see you guys soon.